Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, my next lesson continues to look at question 5 now, and particularly looking at exercise 3. In this lesson, we look at a short choral extract with reduced score for orchestra written by the Hungarian composer Kodaly. In this lesson, we delve into the composition, really looking at what's going on in the music, and I explain aspects of key structure, harmonic analysis, we look at transposition for the various orchestral instruments, and I also help to answer questions regarding the stylistic features of the composition. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find the full lesson there, and you can find the links to that lesson in the cards and in the description box below. Everything that you need to understand this advanced level harmony and theory analysis can be found in my Harmony and Composition textbook. This is available from Amazon, and you'll find the links to that in the cards and in the description box also. After this short little video, you can find sample examples of this lesson showing you how I work with you step by step through every single question of each exercise, note by note, just as if I was sitting right next to you. Enjoy your studies. And we can't fully identify the chords until we know the key, so let's have a look at bar 3. So we're looking at this chord here. So we've got this carrying on in the orchestral parts of a clarinet and a horn. And they are sort of transposed into the correct key for rehearsal purposes here, because this is actually a piano part being representing these instruments. So these notes are exactly as written here. So what clues have we got? Well, the first thing that we've got here is this. So there's our big clue. There's an E sharp. So we have a C sharp, E sharp, G sharp. And if it's an E sharp, the only way we can properly explain that as an accidental is the raised 7th, and if E sharp is the raised 7th, F sharp is the tonic, that's F sharp minor, and then that explains all of these other sharps because it's related to A major. So we're in F sharp minor, and we also know that when we have the raised 7th, it falls in the middle of chord 5. And so if we think F, G, A, B, C sharp, E sharp, G sharp. So, and then actually, let's just look further because we have a B here as well. So we have a C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, B. That's the 7th, isn't it? So we have a 5-7 chord. The E sharp gives us the clue straight away that it's a chord 5. And chord 5 is always a major chord, even in a minor key, because that raised 7th makes it a major chord. So it's a major chord because we need to properly explain and describe this. So it's a major chord. We can already say that we've seen the chord 5-7 here. And we've seen 5-7 here. That's the same kind of harmonic basis, isn't it? So we can say that straight away. We've already done that work, haven't we? It's the same 5-7. Now let's just see if we can expand upon that, because we know this is a chord 5-7, but we need to look at bars 2, 3 and 4. And then we need to look at bars 9, 10 and 11. So there's 9, 10 and 11. So we know that chord 3 is 5-7. So also is chord 2. There's our C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, there's our B. We've still got 5, 7 there. And then here we have an F sharp, A, C. So we have 5, 7 to 1, don't we, there? Let's see what happens here. So now we need to find some differences, don't we? Let's have a look. Well, straight away, comparing this second part, we've got this. So let's miss the obvious. There's a crescendo here and it says always crescendo, whereas here in this first part, we don't, it just stays piano. So the difference is the crescendo in bars 9 to 11. And then let's just take it a note at a time. So we need to raise everything by a third. So here we have an E sharp. So if this was an E natural, a minor third would be up to a G. And so E sharp to G sharp is a minor third. So there is our lowest note. There's our G sharp. And that's going to be tied. So we don't need the accidental. Again, a tie sort of continues an accidental. And then what happens here is we go a step higher to F sharp. And F sharp, a minor third higher. So F to A is a major third, F sharp to A is a minor third, so we're going to A natural. So, and we can also see we're just going a semitone higher, aren't we?